I will show you how to configure on the applications and gaming of Linksys. This this tab is if you want to expose some applications on the internet. Example, you have an IP camera inside your house or your office, and you want to view it outside. This is the area we're going to configure. Example, your IP camera is configured as a port 80, or example is 8085. You have to configure on this area, port forward. Example, you have an IP camera with IP address of 192.168.0.10, and you have to indicate here on this side, and you have to click enable. Input the port here, start. Example is 8085 and endport is 8085 and the IP of your router, and click enable, then save it, and your IP camera will, you can now access it remotely. Another thing for this area, if you want to use a certain games like GG or Garena, any game, online game, you have to search for the exact port of that game or application. The next one is port triggering. It's almost the same with the uh, port forward, but you have to use a certain range of the port, range of application. You can search that on what port of a specific game. You can sometimes, usually ports is it starts with the 1025 and up to 65,000. You can see what port for that specific application. The next one is DMC. If you want to enable this one, just click enable, then save it. If you want to expose your router to the internet. The next one is the QoS. QoS, quality of service. If you want to manage your internet inside, who are accessing inside, you can enable this one. Click this one, then the MAC address of the MAC address of the specific PC. And there are two types of quality of service. You can enable it wired and wireless. It depends which are your priority in your network. You can see this on port 1, port 2, point 3, port 3, port 4. If you want to prioritize port 1 is high and the 3 ports would be low, just leave it low and enable it. Another thing on the lower, this one, if you want to priority, example you have a game, online game, and you want that application to be high priority so that you can, you may experience small lags, you can use this area. On this below, this is WMM. This is for wireless. You can enable this one for wireless quality of service. I hope this video helped you in configuring your wireless. Thank you.